because it'll come undone. And you want to try to get these as close together. Oh, why do they keep happening? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am just going to be doing some crochet braids. I have the Kima Ocean Wave in color TT4 613. I did not pay that price for it. As you know, I'm a budgetista. Store was going out of business, so I probably got this for like 50 cents. And here's color number 4. Same pattern. And as you guys know, I am a color lover. I have 2 packs of this. I don't know if it's going to be too dramatic, so I was like, let me just put dark hair on. You know, I work in a business office, so I don't want funny looks. Even though I still wear my colors, I'm not going to let that stop me, but just gotta think about that sometimes. That's the only bummer for working in the government. You have to be careful about that, because we do deal with the public a lot, and you know, private sectors and public sectors and whatever other kind of sector there is to sector. I do have a little one over here. She's watching cartoons, so you'll hear odd noises every once in a while. And this is pretty. Oh, so pretty. I may just do the whole thing, and I don't know why it shows up like that on camera. It doesn't look like that. This is actually white, but look at that ombres. And I don't know if you guys can see my fingers, but I tried to dye a wig blue. Epic failure. So alright, I do install my hair soaking wet. Just have it on the towel here. This works best for me. I have my crochet hook. I've already oiled my hair, and I do braid my hair ahead of time. So, and just for grip, I use this just to maintain the hair sometimes. And I also have this. This stuff is great. It's the Carol Peace line by Just For Me. And I got it from my daughter, but I use it as well. And I'm just going to show you how I do it. And you know, it comes in pieces. Like, I just picked this up. And you don't want to just put it on to where it looks like that. It kind of reminds me of a Siamese cat. I don't know why. But what I do is take the hairs, split them, and basically interchange the ends. So not like that, but you're going to do actually like this. And what I do is kind of pull them down. Just like this, because I want the colors to be intertwined. And actually that's a little bit too big, but I'm just showing you. I'll take some of it off, and I'm going to do something that you may not see in this day and time, but I'm starting in the front of my head. I actually also want to just make sure you have some of your solid color out as well. And I'm going to be doing basically the same thing. And with this one, you don't have to really switch it because it's not colored. But it will help because you have this little random end sometime. And it just elongates the hair. Like that. And I'm going to be doing it here in a second, but I just wanted to show you what I'm going to be doing. Just randomly putting the hair in. And And I did start in the front, as you see, because I may not be finished with this, and I don't want to have the back done and the front not done. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Alright, it has been 1 hour and, well, almost 1 hour. It's now 3:57 in the afternoon still. So at 4:04 it will officially be an hour, and I have done just this part here. I decided to go ahead and just go down and do it like this. Still early, and what I did in the front was, as you know, the hair is like this. I'm gonna spray some water here. Just keep the water in the spray bottle, keep it maintained, and you know it's like this. So when I get to the front, it's blunt right here. I just pull it down, but I don't do the interchanging because I want the hair to have more of a storm effect, as I call it, and that's Storm from X-Men. But this is how it looks when you pull it through one whole side. And I haven't started to do the invisible yet. I will do that on this braid that I left, and maybe, because I like my deep side parts, maybe, I don't know which one, but I always save a braid to do that with. And I am mixing up the back, and all I do for those, if you're just tuning in, is just pull it down on the all number 4 color. I think I really needed a number 2. Number 4 is really light brown, but I think this will be fine. This will be fine. Understand the tightness effect that some people want. I don't get it. Like, keep doing that, you're not gonna have anything to attach hair to. I mean, the fake hair to. I like that volume. So this is where I am. I'm gonna continue. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more braids to the front. I think once I get on this 1, 2, 3, I'm gonna do my invisible part here. So I'm gonna leave that braid blank, and I already have one blank here to do it right there. So I will check in about another hour. It's currently 4:02. Alright, it is now 4:32. I'm gonna start the invisible method on this left side of my head. But all I do, and I've shown this before, is just pull one strand through, I'm pulling the darker strand through the loop, and the white strand is in my hand for the 6/13 strand, and you just put it over. It's not going to seem like much in the beginning until you get a rhythm going. First couple of strands usually look like what is going on, but Ah, I messed that one up. Lost my strand. Put some water on that one. I need to take a little bit of that one out. I don't want too much hair on it because it'll come undone. And you want to try to get these as close together. Oh, why do I keep happening? As possible. And I'm going through 4 times. See, it gets you that pattern there. And you can also do it here, but you will reverse it. So always try to leave it for last. But you also want to take your time on it because you don't want it to look like you did it in what for. Alright, so I'm just going to continue this invisible part here. I will do one more on camera for you. But like I said, I've done this before on some older videos that I have crocheting. And I hope you can see because I'm trying to look in the mirror, not the camera. That's it. Different. It's now 5:22. I had wanted to be done with this by 5:30, but I had to take a break and go tend to my baby, of course. So it's gonna subtract that time out of my hair doing, and I also had to start my dinner. But basically what you do is just go opposite. You know, you're gonna go this way because you want the loop. Still doing the black one, or the black strand of hair, the dark strand. It's not necessarily black. And you go this way, and you get your invisible part. That way I completed this one. I completed the other one that's buried in here somewhere, and I'll be showing that later on. But this is what I'm working on right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get finished. So I do a few more of these, and then once I'm completely finished, that's when I'm going to come back and reveal it. To the next one. Peace. I hope you enjoyed the style. If you try this hair, let me know. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, and have a good night. Peace.